guys, it's May 27th, 2020. This one here, I got a call from a guy. He's got a couple of heat pumps, and he wants me to go by and check them out.
Turn left on Rock Ogden Road.
We'll go by there. I think they're Train or American Standard units. Well, we're gonna go by there and put the gauges on them and run them on AC mode and see what's going on. It's right down by the water, so it's probably cooler down there.
Continue 1.25 miles to the end of the street, then turn right.
I'll try to get you some shots. When I get there. Steve is working again, y'all. In the midst of the Corona-Rona. The old bad flu. The old bad flu, mama. My state's starting to open up. 4 different phases. I guess we're in phase 1 now, and a flipping joke. Open the bloody state up, man. Crazy. Everybody's running scared with the bad flu. Yo, Corona, we'll leave you alone. Yo, Corona, we'll leave you alone. Yeah, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. It looks fine. Filter looks fine. For some reason, I don't think that there's heat strips in this thing or something. If I remember right, on the heat mode. Filter's fine on the 2nd floor. I'm just curious. It's a train unit. It looks like it's 10 kW there, 60 amp breaker, so. Got the fan in the unit, and he also got a filter here. Kind of odd. Got 2 filters. That's fine. We'll check the unit outside for charge. Check it. We'll check it for a charge. Looks pretty clean. He's a surger. I don't know if this one's a heat. Yeah, this one's a heat pump. I don't see the true suction line though. We'll check it on AC mode. That's the best time to check the charges on AC mode anyway. Up cool. That's what we want right there. It's not bad. looks good right there, charge-wise. She's a shaker. Got a vibration problem. Got the old shakes. That ain't looking bad right there, to be honest with you. Hold up. See the 113 subcoolant. Give it a little bit. Let it run for a bit. Check it. That ain't looking bad right there. I mean, I'm within 3 on the subcooling. 7. That ain't bad. Could add a little bit more if I wanted, but put it in as a liquid. We'll give it a little bit more. Give it a little bit more dinosaur juice. We'll give it a little bit more Gundy there, mama. Hello, can I help you?
Hi, my AC is not hardly working, central AC. I put it in maybe about 5 years ago, but last year was already running really slow. There's hardly any air coming out. And the pipes downstairs, Alana, stop please. And the pipe downstairs that connects to the furnace, last year was like all full of ice. So I wanted to see if I can make an appointment, have somebody come in and check it.
Okay, yeah, you're not running it now, are you?
To be honest with you, I did yesterday, maybe for about a couple of hours.
Right, as long as you got it off now, because if it ices up, I mean, then you gotta let it defrost. You know, it's probably low on Freon.
Yes, that's what the gentleman that last year, almost 5 years ago, that put it in for me. I called him last year, because he's the only one that I knew. And but unfortunately now he's only doing commercials. He's not doing residence. And that's what they told me, that it probably needs Freon.
Alright, I got your number here. Let me call you back when I'm in the truck, because I'm working on the unit right now, and I could take your information down and get over there. I could probably get over there in the next couple of days or something, but you shouldn't run it. Don't run it if it's low on Freon, because it'll ice up. You can't run it until you add it.
Alright, I'm not going to run it at all. Okay.
I will call you. I got your number here. I'll call you back when I get in the truck and I can take your information down. See my subcool around 10? I mean, that's good. As long as you're within 3 on the subcoolant, you're good. So it wasn't off by much. So this one's fine. And we're going to turn it over into heat mode and see what happens with that. We'll turn it up and turn it on the heat mode and see if the reversing valve works. We're going to turn over the heat mode. Done. We want to go up. We want to go up to 75 or 77. Fine. We got Got it set for 77. We got it on heat mode. I should switch the heat pump around to heat mode and we'll see what happens. Alright, she's kicking in on heat mode. And then these lines should start warming up on us. Couple of sensors. Let it run for a bit and these lines should get nice and toasty. Alright, so we know the heat pump's working. Should be fine. Nice and toasty. Nice and toasty. Right. We'll leave it on heat for now. Leave it on 70. For now, that's fine.